आग भी लग सकती है, सब कुछ, और जो भी सोच समझ के टाकीज में पिक्चर देखने जाए सब सोच समझ के जाए, कुछ भी हो सकता है।
Sanje Leela Bhnsali's script has inherited a particular view of what the land of India is. By this view, the natives of India are Hindus and the invading outsiders are Muslim and therefore villains. It is believed that there was once a golden age of the Hindu Raj which was decimated and destroyed by the invaders. This narrative is an inheritance of misplaced and faulty 19th century colonial historiography and to this day has been internalized by people. The film inadvertently perpetuates this ahistorical narrative by legitimizing it. The way the sequence is framed, viewers are in the danger of feeling in the moment that Jauhar committed by all these women was a legitimate decision, therefore a legitimate possibility. The language of morality, the language of integrity, and the language of ethics has been taken up to legitimize this really repulsive practice. Honor killing, Jauhar, and Sati are practices in South Asia based on inherited notions. What is the place of men in society? What is the place of women in society? What place does honor take in society?